Combustion of fuels. Let's start with the chapter combustion of fuels. People light candles and diyas on Diwali. What happened to the diyas or the wax in the candles? It is possible. Is it possible to get oil and wax back in the next morning? No. The reason is simple. Burning wax candle or diya is a chemical reaction. Therefore, it cannot be reversed. Similarly, a large number of materials like produce heat and light, for example wood, coal, kerosene. So I hope it is clear that combustion means burning. So burning, if we see on Diwali, we burn candles, diyas, and we usually see that it has oil and wax inside it so that it heated up and burn. So if we see the next morning, the diyas and the wax are gone. Why? Where they are gone? They are not gone, actually they are melted. So this is a chemical reaction that had been took up. So now combustion, when a substance burns in the air, because substance can only be burned in the air in the presence of oxygen. So when a substance burns in the air, it usually produces a flame. Heat, light is evolved during the process. Such a process called as combustion. The process of combustion is possible only if the following conditions are fulfilled. Combustible substance should be there, means the substance that catches fire easily, that produces heat and light energy is called combustible substance. The presence of combustible substance is a primary condition, means the main condition for combustion. For example, the substances are called fuels. For example, fuels can be solid, liquid and gas. So they are mainly saying that combustible substance होना चाहिए. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप metal ले आओ burn करने के लिए, नहीं. You should get a substance that can be burned. ठीक है, कोई ऐसा substance आना चाहिए जो burn हो सके. So the main is combustible substance should be there. A substance that catches fire easily, produce heat and light energy is called combustible substance. In the presence of combustible substance is the primary condition for the combustion. You can learn the fuels definition, that the presence of combustible substances in the primary condition for combustion are called fuels, and fuel can be classified as solid, liquid and gas. I hope it is clear. A substance which does not burn in the presence of air are called non-combustible substance, for example metal and glass. I hope it is clear. Let's come to the next page. Supporter of combustion means there always is a supporter that helps some combustion to take place. For example, let's read it first. A substance that helps in the combustion of a combustible substance is called supporter of combustion, जो उसे help करता है. A substance that help in the combustion of a combustible substance is called supporter of a combustion. No combustible substance can be burned without a supporter of a combustion. For example, in the most of the combustion reaction, oxygen is present in the air to support combustion. Not only air is important, but also air में oxygen होनी चाहिए. That act as a supporter of combustion, because oxygen के बिना हो ही नहीं सकती. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास air हो और we try to burn it, it will not happen because it needs oxygen. So we can say oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Ignition temperature, the minimum temperature at which a combustible substance catches a fire